Hello and welcome back to Natural Touch YouTube channel. I am Hasnain Abbas, alternative treatment practitioner here at Natural Touch Clinic in Shipley, West Yorkshire. Today's video is on liver disease and liver cirrhosis. If you have these symptoms, then keep watching as this video is for you. Let me begin with my usual greetings. Assalamu alaikum, which means peace and blessings of Allah be upon you. I start in the names of Allah. 99 names of Allah is Ismi Azam, which are the greatest names of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, which means I start the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. And remember, all shifa, which means health, comes from Allah. Today's video is on non-alcoholic fatty liver, which is a disease which is described as NAFLD. Let me tell you what it is. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is a term for wide conditions caused by buildup of fat in the liver. It's usually seen in people who are overweight or obese. Early stages of NAFLD does not usually cause any harm, but it can lead to serious liver damage, including cirrhosis if it gets worse. Having high levels of fat in your liver also associated with the increased risk of other health problems such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and kidney disease. If you already have diabetes, NAFLD increases your chance of developing heart problems. If detected and managed and at early stage, it is possible to stop the NAFLD getting worse and reduce the amount of fat in your liver. So one might ask, what are the signs of problems with your liver? Very simple. I'll show you. Skin and eyes appear yellow like jaundice, abdominal pain and swelling. Swelling in the legs and ankles. I've seen patients with quite thick, heavy swelling of the ankles. People start with itchy skin. Their urine will be dark, literally almost like brown. The stool will be pale as well. The people with this kind of disease have chronic fatigue. Some people will have nausea or vomiting as well. There are a number of signs, and let me elaborate on this. So what are the first signs of disease, of the liver disease? Well, sometimes jaundice is caused by breakdown of large number of red blood cells, which can occur in newborn babies. We've seen it often in babies. Jaundice is usually the first sign of sometimes the only sign of your liver disease. So what are the symptoms of liver disease? Well, feeling very tired, weak all the time, loss of appetite, which lead to weight loss, of course, loss of drive in men and women. They will usually suffer from yellow skin, and whites of the eyes are jaundice as well. These are the signs that indicates the person has a liver issues. On examination of my patients, you'll find that there are areas which reflect the pain associated with liver disease. Well, pain in the liver can itself feel like a dull, throbbing pain or like stabbing sensation in your right upper abdomen, just under your ribs. General abdominal pain, discomfort can also be related to swelling from fluid retention, enlargement of your spleen, and liver caused by cirrhosis. How do you feel if your liver is swollen? Well, in some severe cases, you might notice feeling bloating or fullness in your belly, or in an aching of your upper right abdomen. Where your liver is, more likely that you might notice that your liver is palatable to touch. So when I examine my patients, they're touching, I ask them from 1 to 10 ratio, the pain level, and they'll describe normally it's 8, 9. But liver function tests can be normal at many stages of liver disease. Blood tests can also detect if you have low levels of certain substances, such as protein called selenium albumin, which is made by the liver. A low level of selenium albumin suggests that your liver is not functioning properly. let me just tell you a good news on this matter. Your liver can repair itself. That's right, you heard it right. It just repairs itself. The liver is a very resilient organ part of your body. It's capable of regenerating new cells over and over in order to recover the body from all types of diseases and illnesses. As a result of my research, in-depth research, I have developed my own method of repairing your liver. Keep watching from these greenery videos that I have now developed, and I will take you step by step, stage by stage, how to add these 10 juicing mixed ingredients. Just take it twice a day, once in morning, once at night time, a pint-sized glass. That's all you need for 40 consecutive days. Keep watching this video. Here at Natural Clinic, I have personally developed my own method of treating and detoxifying methods that I have really created for my patients. It is called the green treatment for your liver. Drinking this twice a day, which I'll take you step by step, how to chop it up, how to cut it. This treatment program is of 40 days, non-stop. Your liver will heal itself and your symptoms will simply disappear. You heard it right. It will just simply disappear. Let me show you how to get healthy the Natural Touch Clinic way. These are the ingredients for liver detoxing, which all my patients are recommended to start with alkaline water. So this is the complete list. Now let me show you what this list consists of and how it should be taken and what they look like, okay? So starting off first, we look at the spinach. This is spinach in its raw form. This is broccoli in its raw form. This is your celery stems. This is fresh coriander. This is black Himalayan salt. This is the bile developer of the ingredient. This is amazing. It's only £10 per jar. Then you have this fresh mint. You take 6 stems of that. Then you have full 1 avocado, followed by 3 size finger gingers. The finger size is what you require. Just this much will be fine. And finally, you have this fresh turmeric. This is what fresh turmeric looks like. Now I will show you once it's chopped up in each ingredient according to the list. As you can see, the turmerics are cut into the shape, fresh turmeric. That's your fresh ginger. I like fresh ginger quite a lot, so instead of 3, I've got 4 pieces. This is the 2 stem of celery. You just chop this up. As you can see, you got chopped up fresh turmeric, chopped ginger, 2 stems of celery. This is fresh spinach. Now I like spinach as well. This is rich in iron. So what we do is as many as you want. This is fresh broccoli. Now I've chopped this up. So as you can see, this will be forming the basis of whole of the mix. So you have turmeric, fresh ginger, chopped 2 stems of celery, as many small spinach you can, and chopped up 1 whole broccoli to mix. This is fresh coriander. Coriander is very, very good for your liver. So what we do is we leave all of this stem, as you can see, the full stem with the leaves in the mix. This is full avocado. I will slice this, and this forms the basis of all my mix. We cut the whole of the avocado into pieces as well. How beautiful this is. This is so good. Take out the seed and you chop off the whole of avocado. Beautiful. This is black mountain salt. You don't need much of this because this salt develops bile. So what we'll do is we'll keep this apart and we'll sprinkle this very tiny amount in the glass when I've finished blending this. So first, take this chopped up broccoli. Make sure you wash it really well. Put all this broccoli in. All this mix in, as you can see, fresh turmeric, ginger, avocado, all this lovely, beautiful, green, organic food for your liver. By all this beautiful, lovely, organic spinach, coriander. Leave the whole leaves on, by the way. There we go. And now we'll mix this with alkaline water. As you remember my alka hydra jug, we fill this in and we use 1 pint of alkaline water. The ingredient which I love to add, which is which should have been part of my list anyway, but anyway I'm adding this on. If it's to taste, actually, is to add this fresh beetroot. You can see this is all you need because I love beetroot as well. Chop it up in small pieces like this. This is for extra for good luck. And now we'll add 1 pint of alkaline water. This is alkaline water, as you can see, pure 9.5 pH from our alka hydra jug, which you saw my alkaline video a couple of weeks ago. That's what you only need, is to put this in the blender like this. All the ingredients are in there, and now we will just blend this for the maximum effect for your liver detoxification. This is the entire list, which I have now made 2 glasses. This is what you need, 1 pint size glass. There's one there, one for the morning time and one at night time before bedtime. You will drink this for 40 consecutive days. Now, this is the black Himalayan salt, which we sell for £10 a jar. That's all you need. All you do is just sprinkle this on top, just like this. That's it. Same again, just sprinkle just tiny amount so it tastes more. And this is now ready for drinking and detoxing your liver. Absolutely mind-boggling, game changer. My advice to all my patients is listen to what I'm saying. Follow the instructions on my list. You can buy this from local supermarket. You don't have to burst your bank for this. This is simple. This is for all 300 illnesses. This is the end product, which I've been advising all my patients. This is a game changer. It's a beautiful texture drink, as you can see. And I take this every day myself. This is for me as well as you. Take my advice and drink this, and drink yourself to being healthy individual again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Absolutely brilliant. This is a game changer. Take my advice, get healthy today. The first approach is with the greens, juicing itself. You'll also incorporate this with this Hydra Alka jug, which is an alkaline jug. It is, see my video on Alka Hydra jug, it is only 35 pounds. You'll drink alkaline from this, alkaline water from this, and alkaline your body. The second part is you drink 6 drops of pure ashwagandha drops. These are tincture extracts, 35 pounds per bottle. Take 6 drops in the morning and 6 before bedtime. You will also take pure tincture of moringa drops. So again, it's 35 pounds per tincture extract bottle, and you drink 6 drops at night time and 6 drops first thing in the morning. How to purchase? Very simple. You can purchase these and all our other products for treatment simply by placing an order online, which is naturalsupplements@gmail.com, which appears at the base of this video. Or you can call my mobile number, which appears at the base of this video, and we'll be more than happy to take orders on the phone. Or even better, you can walk into our clinic and we'll be more than happy to see you. We'll give you one-to-one advice and you can purchase direct. We have a safe PayPal method of payments, which is naturalsupplements@gmail.com, our PayPal ID, which appears at the base of the screen here. Or we will give you our bank details and you can make payment transfer, which many people are preferring to do that now. They're sending via direct through the transfer bank payments, which are more than happy. We will post out your order the very next day in a secure first-class registered post. We'll provide you with a tracking reference number and a photograph of the post sent so that you know that your post has left our clinic and you're on your way to healthy life. Finally, if you like our videos, which I'm sure you do, and you found it highly informative, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do leave your comments, as we will always reply to all comments left. May God be with you and do have a nice day.